Hi guys, I'm Tony from Tilbury Auto Sales and RV. I have a fantastic deal for you. For 1 week only, I have 3 new 2022 Gulfstream Kingsports. This has been reduced to a fantastic price of $26,999. For your first time RVing, it's a great package. Let me show you everything about that trailer. What a lightweighted trailer, 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee, pulling this Kingsport 248 VH. Just a great way to know that you don't need that big, strong vehicle. Come on into this new 248 VH. What a great family trailer. Very lightweighted, beautiful area for the queen bed up at the front. You always know your privacy is always well kept with a nice table for 4 comfortably. It can also make a nice bed for someone that's needed it, someone that's very small. Has air conditioning for full furnace. Basically a full residential fridge and microwave, 2-burner stovetop, a place for your television up at the top. You have great bunk beds. They'll have 2 capacity of being comfortable on each side. Nice window for access as an emergency exit. Bathroom is a tub size, and that actually works out for more of the family's needs in case of little children that want that tub at camp. Great total open concept, lots of airflow through the trailer. One of the nicest features of the docking station has your awning controls. Very easy to operate. Basically just by pushing the button, it extends the awning 8 feet from the trailer. What an actual great area for you to actually have your camping, your tables, your chairs to enjoy this full trailer. It has adjustable arm lengths on both sides of these awnings to dip it down in a case of a very bad windstorm. Good family package. Has 2 20-pound tanks, a spot for 2 battery banks to make sure that you get lots of power through the trailer. Has great pass-through storage. We love the storage inside this trailer. Grab handle to assist all your family's ages, and great handles on the screen door so they don't have to open the bugs. What is so nice about this actual trailer, you have a nice daylight view of the outside lakefront when you're parked at a campground. There's storage underneath the bunks. You've got a spare tire at the back of the trailer for your, in case of that emergency that happens. This is where all your accessories are. Very easy access for your black water, gray water, but it's a great trailer, no exhaust up at the front. I tell you, come out and see this 2022 Gulfstream Kingsport. It's a great family package for you to have.